All right, my friends, let's get some math stories drawn and our math sentences written about more animals and creatures from the prairie. A lot of you have turned in so many beautiful pictures of the turtles on the log and robins that flew away. So let's continue with this story about a beetle. It says, "One little beetle is crawling on the grass." Oh, how fun. I see my sounder vowel team there. Crawling in the grass. Two more beetles join him. How many beetles are crawling in the grass? All right, let's find our story parts. One little beetle. So I guess I'm going to have to draw some grass. So grass to a beetle is going to look very, very tall. And I'll leave a space for that beetle and some more grass. Okay, one little beetle crawling on the grass. Let's give him some legs there. Maybe he's got some wings. All right. One little beetle is crawling on the grass. Two more beetles join him. Okay, so let me make sure to record the number. One little beetle, two more beetles join him in the grass. All right. If your imagination has a much better beetle than Mrs. Gorospe, oh, please show me. Here we go, my cute little beetles. And that number they gave us was 2. So one little beetle crawling, and then 2 more joined him. What math symbol should I use to show that they are joining? A plus sign. Now at the end of our story, we have a question to answer. So I put an equal sign to answer. How many beetles are crawling in the grass? Well, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3. Our math sentence looks like this, and you can read it in the math words. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Great. Our bottom story here. There are 10 purple flowers growing in the garden. All right, I'll start with 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my. Mrs. Gorospe is very glad that God created flowers and not Mrs. Gorospe. They're a little wonky looking, but I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 purple flowers. Grandma says, I may pick 4. How many flowers are left? So I'm not going to forget my 10 from my story. And then Grandma says, I can pick 10. So I am going to draw my little figure here, and she is ready. She is ready to pick flowers. Grandma says I may pick how many? 4. How many flowers are left? So to fill in our math sentence, 10 flowers, and Grandma says I may pick 4. If I'm picking them, are we joining these two numbers or taking them apart or taking away? We are taking away 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers that I picked. So what math symbol should I use? Minus. 10 minus 4 equals, now how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 flowers are left in the garden. Okay, now this day is extra practice, so you will have 2 more. So 2 and 2, if I had a plus sign here, will give us 4 math stories to add to your journal. Let's go ahead and do these 2 together. 8 fish are swimming in the stream. 2 more fish join them. How many fish are swimming in the stream? Okay, we have our information. Let's draw a picture to match and then help us write a math story. A math sentence, excuse me. There's my stream, so I have 8 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'll put an 8 at the top to start our math sentence. 2 more fish join them. So there are my fish, and they're even facing the rest of them. How many fish are swimming in the stream? That question is asking us for the end of our story. What math symbol should I use to show 8 and 2 more? That's right, plus sign. 8 plus 2 equals, so in order to find out, I would have to count how many fish are all swimming in the stream. This was 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Last math story for your journal today. There are 10 blueberries. Oh, good, my pen is blue, so that's perfect. 10 blueberries growing on the bush. A deer eats 6 blueberries. How many are left? Okay, so this story needs a blueberry bush. So I'm going to draw a very, very, very thick blueberry bush with branches that you can only see inside its leaves. There we go. 10 blueberries growing. So I'll make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where do I want this one to be? 10. There we go. 10 blueberries on my blueberry bush. But then what happened? A deer eats 6. Okay, Ms. Grosby, how are your deer drawing skills? And I know deers have nice ears and very cute little tails. Oh, these legs are going to be a little bit of a challenge. I'll hide its feet there. All right, maybe some spots for our deer. A very hungry deer. And our deer ate 6 blueberries. So I'll pick the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If they ate them, we are definitely not putting more blueberries on the bush. We are taking those away. So my math symbol I'm going to use is minus, the takeaway symbol. Then how many blueberries are left? The end of our math sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4. The story says there are 10 blueberries growing on a bush. A deer eats 6. How many are left? In our math sentence, we would just read that problem as 10 minus 6 equals 4. Thanks, my friends, for doing those math stories with me. Great job building new skills that you will use in first grade. So proud of you. Happy journaling!